we have the phyCORE-AM64x system-on module and development kit. This is our latest and greatest system-on module from Phytec. It is industrial Ethernet-focused system-on module, and here's our development kit. It's the carrier board for it, and that we allow our customers to base their designs off of. You can literally copy and paste circuits from this. We provide schematics of this so that you can integrate this into your design very quickly. We also have today a plotter demo, which is utilizing the phyCORE-AM64x development kit, as well as the phyCORE-AM243x system-on module on these PLC-style carrier boards. Here we have a red Ethernet cable that daisy chains all of these systems together, and on that Ethernet network we're actually running an EtherCat stack from CUN bus that's pre-integrated in TI's MCU Plus SDK. And it's utilizing FreeRTOS on these EtherCat secondary devices, whereas the EtherCat master or main board is running Linux. What the goal of this system here is each EtherCat secondary system is in charge of a different motor on a pen plotter system that's very similar to a 3D printer. And we're utilizing G-code, which is also common in the 3D printing space. We're sending G-code commands from the master down the EtherCat network, and then we're utilizing EtherCat to synchronize the motions of all the motors. We can take a look at how that works here. Very, very exciting stuff. The big advantage of EtherCat is that we could actually place these motors and these secondary boards in super great distances apart from each other in a very, very noisy environment. And EtherCat will assure that your communication, your synchronization is all very robust and able to withstand those noisy environments.